This video is specifically for those who are currently struggling to making money on the internet. If you are really struggling right now to make money on the internet, I want you to pay close attention to this video. This is probably the only video you're going to see right now on the internet that is going to address your problem the way you want it to be addressed. Over the years, I've serviced a lot of businesses. I've trained thousands of people in my own program, spoken in different events and conferences. I've grown my businesses from zero to thousands of sales every single week. I have a couple of tech startups that are doing amazingly well right now, but I'm not here to tell you my portfolio. I mean, you could actually just Google my name if you want, but that aside, I quite have a good track record of success building businesses right from the weirdest place in Nigeria, right? I grew up without electricity for over 13 years, and I can tell you for a fact. So I know what it means to start from nothing. I know what it means to grow from nothing, building something that is global. Right now, one of my platforms has over 350,000 users who are currently in over 7 to 8 countries of the world, and we are distributing products across the world. So I know what it means to get to that peak, right? But aside all of these things, my ultimate goal right now in this video is to use the next 30 seconds to 1 minute to help you make a massive turnaround for your business. You know, having all of these experiences and knowledge and having achieved a couple of these things in my entire career, I have discovered one of the fastest way to get results. And there are a couple of systems I have developed to help you get the fastest result. But I'm just going to share with you one simple system that works for everyone every single time. And I'm sure you want to hear this, right? But that simple system is something you're even familiar with, but you've overlooked it. It's called the mentorship system. Mentorship system is where people who are far ahead of you help you, hold you by the hand, and walk you through the process of achieving the kind of result they've gotten. But because you are struggling, your brain is shutting you down from exploring this opportunity that will unlock you to big results. You feel like I'll have to buy a lot of courses, I'll have to watch YouTube videos, I'll have to figure it out my own self. You're asking yourself all of those questions, but that might work for you, but it's going to take you a lot of time to get to your final destination. So this is what I did. I have an amazing group of people called the Serlzo sales team, and of course they are managing the entire marketing team of Serlzo. But I told them, hey guys, you guys are amazing, but I don't want you guys to just be amazing for Serlzo. However, I want you guys to also help other people who are struggling to make sales for their business get onboarded, train them in a span of 1 month, and help them start making money on the internet using very simple tools and software. And they said, yes sir, we are going to do it. And then I was super excited. So what we've done is that we have opened a community. We call it the Serlzo community program, and this program runs every month, and we've done the first iteration already. Depending on the time you're watching this video, there's probably another one that is about to start, and I want you to be part of it. All you need to qualify to be part of it is to join the Serlzo Telegram community. Now we get to share amazing information, content that will help you. You get to interact with other business owners, and ultimately you get to experience a massive turnaround when the Serlzo marketing team will start mentoring you. So I want you to follow the link showing right now on this video, or on the description of this video, or in Serlzo bio link. There's a link on Serlzo social media bio. I want you to join the community. Fill your name, your email address, and your WhatsApp number, and then you'll be redirected to join the Telegram channel where you get to get this quality content. And of course, the Serlzo team will be emailing you and also sending you messages on WhatsApp. This I know will change your life ultimately. So don't joke with it. Be part of this journey. We want to help you. Join the community. That's all it takes, and then see how your life is going to change in the next 120 days.